doing some threaded inserts so I can attach the door panel to the door. Got some threaded inserts here. See if I can get this thing to focus. Got some threaded inserts there. We're going to install these in the door so that I can attach this wooden door piece to the door. So it's not just hanging there or screwed on with some sheet metal screws or something. We're actually going to use bolts. So what I did here was I drilled in holes in where they need to go. So we're going to put some threaded inserts in these holes that I pre-drilled already. There's a hole right here. So I'll let you go and I'll hit you right back. What the fuck? I don't know why it's such a pain in the ass. Bang, threaded inserts, buddy. That's how we do that. Need to get some shorter bolts now. Now I can put these wherever I want. And I can put that wherever I want. That's what I got. Threaded inserts. Threaded inserts in my door panel here, custom door panel. Put the tweeter pod wherever I want. I can put the door pod wherever I want, as long as I have access to these bolts here. They're just temporary. I need to get some shorter ones. It looks good. There you go, E. Finished your door pod. Got to put it together now.